Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the NyLite or a comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. I prefer to show you the customization first of all, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So here in this right section we have to scroll and localize the NyLite. So to turn it on without the customization, just tap on the switcher, and now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. To customize this feature, we have to tap on the NyLite directly, and here we've got the intensity switcher. On the left we've got the coolest tones, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. So of course set this intensity on the level which is the most comfortable for you. And unfortunately this is the only way to customize it. We cannot really schedule that feature, which is a shame, I would say, but well, it is what it is, right? So this is how to customize it, and if you wish to quickly turn it on and off, you have to unroll the top bar, and right here we have to try to find the NyLite. In my case it is right here, so simply tap on it to turn it off and tap on it again to turn it on. Moreover, if you cannot find the NyLite here and also not here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon right there, and scroll to find it in this section. If you can find it here, let's pretend that this is, let's pretend that this is the NyLite. Then all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first section right here, and your device will basically apply it to the panel. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.